What is up, everyone? Welcome back to your daily stimulus check news. The topic of today's video is your fourth stimulus check update. Today is May 12th. Let's take a look at the very first article. Yahoo, you know it's credible, you know it's legitimate. Fourth stimulus check update. Will Congress say yes to another stimulus check package? Can you expect another fourth stimulus check payment to hit your bank account? First off, let's take a look at Nancy Pelosi right here, literally throwing the I don't know hands. It's now officially been 2 months since the third round of stimulus checks began hitting American bank accounts. Think about it, guys. Over 2 months it's been since we actually received the last stimulus check, and that's a very long time to get by on only $1,400, especially if you're still out of work because of the pandemic. Yes, I 100% agree. Comment below if you agree that people deserve more stimulus check money. In my personal opinion, we only received 3 stimulus checks, one of them being only $600, guys, while other countries have actually received over 12, some cases 15 stimulus checks. It's been over a year. Every single month they've been receiving stimulus check money. A lot of people are still behind on bills, on their finances, on whatever it may be, bills, expenses, debt. People are still behind. People still need to get caught up. People need a hand up, not a handout. In my personal opinion, I strongly support reoccurring monthly stimulus checks. I don't care if it's 600 or 1200 or 2000. I think people need more money every single month. Hit that like button if you agree, and feel free to comment below, voice your opinion. You can even say I agree or I don't agree. I will not censor you. Just don't curse. We're adults here. Let's all act like adults. Let's not act like children. Name calling, cursing, it's not needed here. Let's keep it PG. Let's keep it adult. The White House says that Congress are right here to decide whether to provide more of them, right? Basically, the White House said it's up to the Congress, Democrats or Republicans, just like I've been saying all along, to come to some kind of agreement, some kind of compromise. And Joe Biden has one on the record and officially said if Congress, if the Democrats, Republicans come to another agreement, present him with another bill saying we're going to give X amount on this date, he will sign it. Will House Speaker Nancy Pelosi and her fellow lawmakers give you a fourth stimulus checks? Here's what we know. As I said in my last video, more than 2 million people have actually signed a petition for a fourth stimulus check. I made multiple videos about this. Go watch my last video. I'll link it in the end. Basically, originally there was a small amount of people who signed a petition. Then it hit 1 million. Then it hit 2 million. I believe we're at 2.15 million people have signed an online petition calling for more relief. The petition asks Congress to support families with 2,000 monthly payments for adults, an additional 1,000 payment for kids immediately, and continue on a regular basis, reoccurring monthly stimulus checks every single month until the end of the year. Again, going all the way up to 1 year from the time it gets signed. I personally support this. I think it's very, very, reasonable, because a lot of people are still out of work or they're working less hours. People are still behind, on bills, expenses, financially, debt. A lot of people need a hand up, not a hand out. And then we have the second article right here. MSN, very reputable, very legit. Next 2 Biden stimulus bills, 5 ways you could see more money in 2021. Like I've been saying over a month ago, Joe Biden has one on record and says he's going to do an additional 2 stimulus bills. And in his 2 stimulus packages, it is possible, allegedly, that you could actually look to receive more stimulus check money. As it says right here, what's in Biden's American Jobs Plan? Basically, if you didn't know, this plan is actually made by Joe Biden himself, and it's the first bill of his 2 stimulus packages that he's eyeing on a $2 trillion build and an upgrade of roads and transportation hubs, improved power grids, funding EV charging cars, guys, expanding affordable housing, and bringing back high-speed broadband, 5G to more rural areas. This is all amazing. I support all of these things. But what about, giving another round of fourth stimulus check, giving, additional stimulus payments? It doesn't have to be monthly. It doesn't have to be recurring. Just, I personally believe that we need a minimum another round, at least a one-time fourth stimulus check package. How would Biden's American Family Plan work? Basically, he's spending trillions and billions of dollars out. He seeks to spend $1 trillion spending and $500 billion in new tax credits. But do you guys think that Joe Biden should include reoccurring or maybe even a one-time, fourth stimulus check direct stimulus payment? And finally, we have this article right here, fourth stimulus check update, possible amount you receive, timeline, and White House comment. Again, I've been saying it over a month ago. Joe Biden said if Congress, if the Democrats, Republicans can come to some kind of agreement and make some kind of, literal, legal, law-abiding bill, he will sign it into office. Basically, Joe is saying, Biden is saying, okay, Democrats, Republicans, Congress, Senate, House Representatives, everyone come together, do all the hard work, come to an agreement, make a bill, everything, get it done, get it wrapped nicely in a little bow, and I'll sign it into law, right? He basically doesn't want anything to do with it. He says, if you guys can work out your differences, which is very, very hard to do, it might happen, it might not. Joe Biden says if it does come to fruition, he will sign it into law, but he wants no part of it. Again, right now, I'm being 100% honest with you guys. It's about a 50-50 chance that it happens. I want to take 2 seconds out this video. I want to let you know every single day I give away free Amazon gift cards, and if you want a chance to enter the free Amazon gift card giveaway, all you have to do is you must hit that like button, you must hit that subscribe button, and comment an emoji. Any comment will enter you in the giveaway, but you must hit that like and subscribe button. I post daily videos, and every single video I give away free Amazon gift cards. Please, if you want to support me, if you have $1, hit this white join button, become a member. As a member, you get a bunch of cool perks. perks. One of the very first perks you get if you hit join for literally less than $1 for only 99 cents is you get a diamond next to your name. Look in the comments. If you see somebody with a different color diamond in the comment section, they're a member, right? You get a diamond that changes colors. You get members only community tab, exclusive pictures, videos, live streams, videos, giveaways. You get exclusive emojis. You get exclusive giveaways. You get exclusive members only live chat. If you see my videos, if you see the little live chat, those are members. All my videos are first live streams that members get to see first. They get to ask me questions, interact with me. Every single day I go live. Every single day I answer questions. People email me. You get a bunch of cool perks. And the best part of all, guys, every single cent, all the money I make on my YouTube, it all gets put together and actually continues to allow me to keep doing these daily Amazon gift card giveaways. All the money goes to someone else in need. I don't keep any of it. So please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, share this on social media, hit that join button if you have 99 cents. That's it for today, guys. Just a quick video. Have a great day. Peace.